After this video, right, y'all still want to have a baby? Because I see everybody putting up baby. Not everybody, cause people will want to attack in comments. Not everybody. I see quite a few people putting up baby fever, this and that, and you know, and goals and what? Watch this video and what I'm gonna see here. So the idea of the pushing was to push on every contraction. Contraction is like a pain. So you just feel when this pain coming. So when the pain come, you push. When you push, when the pain come, you won't feel nothing. Well, me, I didn't feel anything because people just, you know, everybody different. Everybody is different. So they don't know. Alright, so while I was pushing out, this is how it sound. Because it's like you straining, it's like something in you and you trying to push to get it out. So it's like, so the doctor was like, stop, don't push from your throat. Push, you don't push from your throat. You're straining from your throat. Don't push from your throat. So it was like, okay. I started to push different. I just started to cut the noise out because like it was bothering shit. I don't know. So it was like, apparently like I pushed too hard. I don't know. But then all of a sudden it was like, oh wait. Not to push anymore. Not to push anymore. I just trying something here. Forgive me. I'm trying something. I'm literally trying something, peoples. Whoa, it's coming out good. All right, where was I? So when she told me to give that big push, I did. Boom. And she was like, okay, stop before you rip yourself. So I stopped. I was like, thank God, that gave me a little chance to like breathe, you know, like, we just calm down, bro. So that's exactly what I did. I started to breathe. Oh, and if y'all wondering, only one supporter, I guess they would call it, only one, when you in labor, only one supporter is supposed to be there. So my baby daddy was there. Could not have, let me not say could not have done it without you, because like a baby and you can't do it regardless. Woo. But he was a huge support, I must say. How I get really top of the end. This is another Hawaiian silk product. Like when I was straightening my hair, it's best to use like all the products for one thing, because I feel as though like it's work better. I don't know what it is. This is a dry look, moisturizing spray and sheen for a relaxed look. Y'all get it? This is the hardest part. What am I going to do with up here? Give me an idea. I don't know. But the edges, they be looking cute though. They be looking cute though. They do be looking cute though. So I push and the baby came out. When the baby come out, I then carry the baby away from you and do what I gotta do, like inspect the baby. Everything's be good. Everything. I mean, like you feel like you will run across the pasture and come back. Like you just got all of your energy back. When that baby open you just got all of your energy back all of a sudden. Whew. Like you just be like, whew, thank God. Okay. So I just feel real good. And I turned to Shaquana and was like, how I do? Because I really wanted to know how I did. I do not have a ruffle, so this is what I am going to do. I mean, I do not have a rubber band. I don't even know. These cheap things. Round 2. Ignore my noisy background. Please do not pop. Don't pop. I don't even have any videos to insert and say like, yeah, like this is me. Like I really have no videos because at the point in time I ain't had no phone, no tablet, no nothing. If you've made it to the end of this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And when you're commenting, give me more story times, cause like I loaded. So just anything you want to know, my socials will be at the end of this video.